Today, I found an other AI tool for creating AI influencer. This tool is not just limited to generating AI influencer images. Even with that, you can generate realistic, simple videos, dance videos, and do many more things. The best part, you can generate talking videos with consistent voices. Today, I have something really interesting to show you. So, let's begin the video. So, to create the AI influencer, we are using the apo.ai. You guys are already familiar with this tool. It is the only platform dedicated for AI influencer, but now they have added new powerful features. I have put the link in the description, so go there and check it out. Now let's see what's inside of this tool. On their homepage, if you scroll down a little, you will see the community section where other people shared their workflows. You can get solid ideas from seeing these other people's workflows. So to create an influencer from start, go to top and click on Create Portrait Mode. Here we have the two ways to create the base model. You can use your own model image, or you can use the apo.ai influencer generator to build a new model. If you are building from scratch, click on this. Here they give simple parameters where you make new model with few clicks. Now I go back and use my own influencer image, which I generated earlier with this tool. So I simply upload my character image. Click on Save after uploading image. Next, give any name to this lady. For example, I give name Bella. Next, you can add description about your character. Just write simple like that. A Columbia 22-year beautiful woman standing in an outdoor. With this description, AI will easily understand your character. Next, you can choose your character visibility. Either you want public or keep it private. Now click on Create Model. Next, you will come to this page. Your model is successfully created. Click here, and again, you can change information about her. Here you will see lots of tools for influencers, like generating video, editing video, making talking videos, creating images, and many more. We will try all of these options. All right, first we come to see some pre-generated templates for creating images. With these templates, you don't have to write a prompt. Just select and generate the images. There are lots of templates available. Click on this expand button to see them clearly. Let's say I select the gym template. Below, there are some parameters you can adjust according to your preferences. I'm choosing the resolution to S4K Ultra, which generates lifelike results. Now, click on Generate. All right, it has generated our output. The quality is very impressive. The skin texture and details are sharp, and it doesn't look like it's AI. It feels like the photo was taken with a real camera phone. Here are some more images generated with templates. If you want to make any changes to the image, there is an image edit option available. Simply upload the influencer image, then add a product shot image and write a prompt like, "She's holding a protein powder." And that's it. With the Ultra option, it again creates a perfect result and produces a clean, professional product shot. Using this method, you can easily generate e-commerce images. Next, we come to the most interesting section, which is the video tools. We have a lot of AI video tools available. First, we have an image to video tool where we animate our images. Simply upload an image, give a prompt, and we get this result. With this feature, you can easily turn any image into a video and create very good results. Next, we have the newest and most powerful feature of this tool, which is video editing. Here, you can see multiple editing options. The first tool is Edit Video. With this feature, you can replace any character in a video like this. To create this type of video, first go to this website and search for a video you like. Download that video. Now upload the reference video into apo.ai and click Save. Next, you need a reference image of your character that has the same pose as the first frame of the reference video. You can manually upload an image, or you can generate a reference image using apo.ai. Click here and write a prompt describing the same pose and clothing as the reference video. It will generate a matching image. You can further tweak this image using the image edit option. I have already generated my reference image with the same dress and pose using apo.ai. Now upload it. Choose Ultra S mode and click Generate. Our output is ready, and you can clearly see that the character has been perfectly replaced in the video. The movements and actions match the original video exactly. Because of the realistic motion and smooth results, it's very hard to tell that this video is AI generated. Here's the one more output where original video is shown and also with a recreated video. It perfectly matches the motion and timing of the original scene. Next, we have the Edit Motion feature. With this tool, you can copy the exact motion from any video. If you have a video and want the same movement for your influencer, you can do it easily. For example, I have this video and I want my influencer to perform the same pose and motion. I simply upload my influencer image with the same angle and shot, then click Generate. You can see that it perfectly performs the same motion and repeats the exact actions. You can also upload your own video to capture specific movements. Next, we have the Face Swap feature. With this tool, you simply upload any video and it automatically swaps the face. As you can see, the result looks very natural and realistic. No motion glitch, and it looks like that character has made own video. Next, we have other tools like Edit Styles, where you can change the video into a cartoon, anime, or other visual styles. There are also several additional tools available that you can use for different creative purposes. Finally, we have the Talking Video Avatar feature. With this tool, you can create a video where an influencer is speaking naturally. First, we need to generate a specific voice so that the voice remains consistent in every video. At the top, click on the voice icon. Here, you can either generate a new voice or upload an existing voice. I will click on the AI voice model generator. Choose your language. There are many languages here. Then write a prompt describing the type of voice you want. I paste a prompt for a natural young girl's voice, similar to a TikTok creator. After clicking generate, it starts creating the voice. Here is the voice that I created earlier. Listen to this.
Hey there, welcome to APOB, where anyone can create their own AI influencer superstar. Think of it like your digital playground. Dream up cool personalities, whip up awesome photos.
So, to generate a talking video, first upload your image. Then click on Generate Audio. Here, type any dialogue you want and click Generate to create the voice. After that, select this audio as the reference. Next, choose Ultra Mode because it gives more realistic results. Here is the final output.
Hi everyone, I was created using APOB AI, and it's one of the best AI influencer generators available today.
You can clearly see that the face remains unchanged, the voice sync is natural, and it looks just like a real Instagram creator. APOB AI plans are very affordable. You can choose monthly or yearly to unlock all the advanced features. If you purchase it, it makes influencer tasks really easy. The link is in the description. Just click and get started. I hope you learned something new today. See you again in the next video.